Hi there, my name's James Waight. We're here farming on the Salisbury Plain on the MOD ground. The area is 94,000 acres of open triple-side grassland for military training. We have 2 herds of Nofence collars. We're about 5 years in now. We trialled with 10 collars and expanded that number through. I think we've got 220 collars in total, just to give us a greater deal of flexibility through grazing alongside the military and enhance the environment as well at the same time. There's many savings to, that we've noticed from the Nofence. We don't have to put infrastructure out. Saves a great deal of time and labour, stress and worry. You can always see where your cows are 24/7. From the welfare side, if you have concerns about a cow, you can always see where it is off your phone, and if something does stray away from the herd, especially calving time, you know to act upon it straight away. And just the flexibility and ease of being in and out of areas through deconfliction with the military at short notice, and we can focus our grazing efforts on areas that previously we couldn't have got to, just so easy with the app. Best thing we ever did really for grazing this specific set of circumstances.